Hi everybody, it's Wanda. Well, I did a Dutch pour a few minutes ago and I used ultramarine blue and purple iris, but I decided to do another one and just use blue. Just white and blue. We'll see how it turns out. I have my base coat down. I have this mixed with Liquitex Pouring Medium and water. It's pretty thin. Hope I have enough. And I went to TJ Maxx and got me an apron. So now, hopefully, I can protect my paint clothes from paint. You know how that goes. So, let's see how much paint I've mixed up. This is Master's Touch. See if y'all can see that. Ultramarine blue. Got my paint mixed real thin. I will mute the blow dryer and we'll try this again. Now, let's see if we get any cells popping up. Sure do hope so. I don't see really a whole lot of bubbles. A few. For just blue and white, I think it came out pretty. That's a good thing. Looks like a mushroom cloud. Ultramarine has just a little bit of a purple undertone to it. So you're going to see right in here what almost looks like purple. Come on, cells. Want a little definition in here. A little more interest. Okay, that's it. I'm done playing with it. Yes, I'm not getting any more cells up in here. Only down in here. So, hopefully it'll still be considered pretty. So, Okay, I'm going to take the camera down and let y'all see a close-up of it so you can see how this almost looks like purple up in here, even though I didn't put any in there. So, thanks for watching. It looks darker in the camera than it looks in person. But, see how right down in that bottom corner right there, it looks almost like purple in that area. There was a little bit right there. I think I pushed it off. Right in here, it looks shadowy. Almost looks like there's some purple shadows in there. And that's the only cells that I've gotten None up here, which is unusual because that's usually where they pop up too, is up in there. So, that's what I ended up with. Thanks for watching.